Hey, boys and girls, just me again. You know that I love mystery pictures, even though this one isn't so mystery. But these are all addition problems, so we just go through and solve the problems, and then we're going to color them based off of their answers. So I'll help you with the first few. So that one's 11. 8 plus 3 is 11. Let's do 7 plus 4. Also 11. 8 plus 1 is 9. This is 9. This little tiny star in here, that's 11. That one's 11. Okay, so we're just going to find the answers to all of these math problems, and then we're going to color them. So it looks like, if we look at the top, I'm going to help you with the colors. So first, sorry about that. All of the 6s are going to be brown. Okay, and then 7s you can leave white. 8 is going to be red. 10s will be green. Blues are 9, and yellow is 11. So we had a lot of 11s just barely, so we know that these are all yellow because their answer was 11. So I'm going to color those. And then if I look over here, these are all 11. And you can do this however you want. If you like finding all of the answers first and then going back and coloring, that's great. If you want to do some of them and color some and then keep adding, that's fine too. So it looks like 9s are blue. So these ones are blue right here. So whichever way you want to do this side of your paper is totally fine. And I'll let you finish that. And then when you're on the back, it's just practicing more of our rocket math for this week. We're working on practicing our subtraction so we can get a few more answers on our MComp and practice our math facts in a fun Christmassy way. So go ahead and finish the rest of this paper. These are really simple math problems. And then practice your rocket math.